I think living on campus just helps me get the full college experience.
I love being a resident student because you just get to be around everything on campus.
I wanted like a close-knit group where I get to meet people and experience new things within the campus. My hometown is in Westchester, New York.
My hometown is in Litchfield, New Hampshire.
I'm from Rochester, New York.
Brooklyn, New York.
Baltimore, Maryland.
So why did you decide to live on campus?
My biggest worry about coming to college was living on campus, right? Living with new people. But Damon gave me such a welcoming feeling about it, and everyone told me how great it is to meet new people and to just get that college experience, and they definitely weren't lying.
It was very important for me to get out of my comfort space in order for me to grow, so that's why I left home. Damon was just like, I'm still in New York State, but away from my parents and able to grow.
I definitely wanted to get that experience away from home because I was actually born in a car right around the corner from my house. I never left my house. Having the opportunity to completely live my own, which was a feeling I never had, was a wonderful learning and growing experience.
What do you like most about living on campus?
My favorite thing about being a resident is probably the community aspect. I do like to just be able to see other people and hang out with other people, whether it be in my apartment or the lounge or anywhere else in the apartment buildings.
Everything's so close. I can wake up and go right to class, and so if I'm 5 minutes late, it takes me 2 minutes to get there, which is really, really nice.
What are your thoughts about shared suite bathrooms versus communal floor bathrooms?
I personally love not sharing a communal bathroom.
Who wants a communal bathroom?
I don't think I'd be able to survive actually using a communal bathroom.
Having the ability to plan with your suite mates in terms of who's gonna shower when and stuff like that takes a lot of stress away from the day-to-day aspects of college.
And I think it kind of brings the suite together, like that one bathroom that's all of our responsibilities is pretty nice.
Tell us about the RAs.
The RAs here at Damon are wonderful. From the very first day, my RA fostered in me this mindset that hey, we're here as a family, everybody looks out for each other.
I was just homesick a lot. I missed home, and this was something I wasn't used to. This was my first time living out on my own. My RAs were 100% supportive of me. Now that I live in the apartments, I still have RAs, and they still very much are there to help me no matter what I'm going through.
I love my RA. She's super sweet, she's super kind. Even if you don't really want to talk about your problems, they can give you a good laugh and they can make you feel like, hey, you're not alone. And they have the best advice because they've gone through it, because they're older now.
Any final thoughts?
If you truly want the full college experience, living on campus is the best choice for you.
Being able to have those experiences, the ones I don't think about, the ones I can't plan. You can't plan these experiences that truly change you and make you grow, especially socially.
So I was leery about being this far away. At the end of the day, just go for it. There's always opportunities for you to grow and learn being here.
I would recommend that incoming students live on campus.
I would 100% recommend students live on campus.
I would definitely recommend someone live on campus. When I look back, I just see how my life has changed. Staying in that one place was really, really nice, and I was so happy, but I didn't realize how much happier I could be when a new part of myself was unlocked. So that definitely is what living on campus provides.
Ready for residence life? Visit damon.edu to learn more.